The whole Pukka experience is all about being the best. Selling everything from pens to files to journals to diaries, and it's about giving the customer the quality they deserve at the right price. I'm Christoph, CEO and owner of Pukka Pads. My background was sports. I was predominantly a windsurfing guy. I had an opportunity to go into stationery, and I could see that there was a massive shortage of colourful things. I brought that surfing element into stationery. It's all about putting a bit of fun back into business, and that's what I believe Pukka is all about. It's about giving the customer the quality they deserve. Let's just say we get an order for one particular product in 60 different countries. Before we had Sage, that would have been incredibly difficult for someone to work out, what do we order in the factory? And if you deliver it wrong, then that's going to come back to you as well. The customer must have what they want when they want it. And if the system's making that difficult for you to do, then you're never going to get there, are you?
Sage 200cloud for us, it just pays for itself. It allows us to keep control of stocks. It allows us to see orders coming in. It allows us to process and logistically manage all our orders going out. We work very closely with Pinnacle to help develop what we require out of Sage. We have a lot of bespoke written software. They are Sage experts, they understand our business, we scope what we need, and then they link our business with the Sage system, and that fits ideal.
Pukka Pads felt that they had too many manual processes where different businesses within the organisation were taking paperwork and rekeying it into multiple different systems. Pukka Pads feel that we have empathy and understanding with them, and that we're able to consult with them in order to provide the right solutions for their business. When they transitioned to the Sage 200cloud product, we were their partner that worked with them in order to provide them with the backup and the service to make that as simple and painless as possible. We are always looking towards the future with our customers so that we can ensure that as their business needs change and we move forwards, we both go forwards together to provide them with the best solutions.
We started 20 years ago, and who knew that 20 years later I'd be selling to over 50 countries, and Sage 200cloud is essential to that growth for us going forward. So we've gone from the 8 products then to probably 2,500 products today. And I'm loving the journey the whole way. It feels like the wave I was riding 30 years ago, I'm now still riding, but in a different way.